can see, I have a flying saucer that I 3D printed on. I actually made it in freeCAD. I 3D printed it and made it in freeCAD. And I've also made some other stuff, like rocket fans and rocket cones. I said I was going to learn a 3D program, freeCAD, which you can download for free off the internet, to try to make my own things. And that was one of the things I made, was a flying saucer, because it's easy. I posted it. Not to say that UFOs aren't real, but yes, the one I posted was fake. I don't know if I fooled anybody. I doubt it. But I actually have an account on Thingiverse under my name, and I have things that I've made on Thingiverse, like a paintbrush holder and a UFO keychain. I do the UFOs because they're easy. Those are the first things I started making. I'm trying to learn how to do certain things, like put holes in, like I just learned how to put holes in this thing. See, it's like a rocket, and then it has a hole. Just to put a hole in there, you have to hit thickness or something and export it. But it has a learning curve for freeCAD, but I'm eventually going to try to make my own quads, because that was the plan, to make my own mini quads. So, let's see. I will try to make some videos on how to do certain things on freeCAD. Simple things on freeCAD are pretty easy. So, but I could show you a little bit. If you have a 3D printer and you're wanting to get into, instead of just downloading things, but actually making your own things, which is a lot more rewarding. But you go into your start menu and hit part design, and you hit new in the file, and up here is your toolbar at the top. And to do the UFOs, I had used a cone. And this cone I can shape any way that I want to. I can make it longer, I can make it shorter. For a UFO, I'd make it shorter. And the top I would make more like that. So that's for that. And then I would do the same thing with another one. And I would do the same thing. And I would make the height shorter. You see how we do that? You go to placement, position. But you see what I mean. You can make your own little flying saucers or whatever you want to make. This is not a very good one. I'm not spending a lot of time on this. I'm probably not going to make any more flying saucers. I really want to get into making my own parts, like camera holders and skids for my quad and stuff like that. Stuff that I could download off Thingiverse that other people have made, but I would like to design my own. And this program is a free program. It is open source, but it is a little tricky too to figure out how to do everything. It takes a little time. And I've only been working on this program for like a day, like 2 days. I'd say 2 days. I'm off and on. I've got books. You can get books from the library, but you probably learn best off tutorials off the internet for doing simple things. Alright, so let's go ahead and make this like that. And let's make the radius wider for our flying saucer. And there it is. And then I could add maybe one of these. which I can move up. And I can shorten. Wait a minute. I know, I'll move it down because I shortened it. Da da. No, I can do. It's real easy to make the flying saucers. That's why I'm doing it. And it's fun. It's fun to make flying saucers. I think the one I made came out really good. But anyway, once you learn how to do, you can make your own stuff. I have many things on Thingiverse that I'm going to start posting. I have many things on Thingiverse that I've already made, but I'm going to make a lot more stuff that I'll be posting. And that's pretty much the gist. What else did I make? Whoa! I started out printing stuff, and then I wanted to make my own stuff, and that's pretty much what I've been doing. I also got stuff off of there, like a hexapod project. I'm gonna make my own hexapod, which I got all the parts for, and I gotta start doing it.